Here's a grand suite aboard Hurtigruten's MS Trollfjord. So right when you walk in, we have a safe and shelves. Here we have a wardrobe with lots of hangers. And another. And here's a door into a full bath with a shower. Nice large shower. There's a beautiful seating area with a television. We have an espresso machine, a kettle, wine, glasses. There's some chips and some peanuts. We have water, wine, soda. And look at this balcony. I'm not going to go out on the balcony right now because it's raining and there's some rough weather. But we have a chair over here, a reclining chair, another reclining chair with an ottoman. And as we come over here, we have a nice desk area that overlooks the ocean. And then here we have our bedroom with a king-size bed. There's robes and slippers, and there's also a porthole here out to the ocean.